Idaho could be facing a significant wildfire season this year. State leaders say drought, a warm winter, historically low snowpack, and forecasts for hot, dry conditions are raising concerns across the state. Governor Brad Little and Idaho Department of Lands Director Dustin Miller say crews are hired and ready, but the public also has a role to play. Officials are reminding Idahoans that most wildfires are preventable, and one spark can quickly become a major fire. Full story at Hagadone News Network.